Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and check copying fees when copying traders on eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com if you've not already. And once you have opened it up, you are going to be greeted by this main page right here. From where we can get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in the upper right corner to your account. So once you're logged in, you are going to go ahead and be greeted by the main page where at the left side of the screen you can find the menu with all the trading options, and here we have the copy trader where we can go and find people that we want to start copying to. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and calculate any fees that you're going to go ahead and be able to use when you're copying traders, and if there are any fees. As you can see on this article right here in the official help center of eToro, are there any fees related to copy trader? There are no extra fees to copy another trader. However, the crypto assets, the same fees apply as with regular trading, and to see the fees you can click this link right here. So I suggest going to this link and opening it up and taking a look at eToro fees for cryptocurrencies and so on. But once you're copying someone, there are no hidden fees. The hidden fees are only the ones that come along with the stocks that you're going to be buying by copying them, but there are no hidden fees just for copying another trader, so you need to keep that in mind. There are no fees. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.